Hey, hello everyone. My name is Gabriel. The idea of this video is try to fix the problem with the hood shaking, the Aeroskin II. The Aeroskin 1, I believe that we don't have that problem. But yeah, I'm going to explain how I did to fix this on elevate miles per hour. Here in Argentina, we say kilometers per hora. It's about 120 start the hood shaking in the root. So yeah, first of all, I buy this lateral hood seal that is not coming from the factory, so I bought in the dealership. So yeah, that was my first fix, but is it's don't repair the hood shake. So next I go to the Bronco Sport forum, and some guys say that you need to buy these hoods and include into the hood seal. So I did that. I buy those, put it inside in all the hood seal. Yeah, that's resolved partially the issue, but not at all. So then I bought in Mercado Libre here in Argentina an Steel Pro. So yeah, I put it like a mirror here. So then when you close, it's going to be close into this. The idea is want to be most closely the hood. And of course I play with these tops. It's true. This is on the top here, and this is on the maximum on the low level. Sorry for the English, but yeah, mostly I resolved that problem. So yeah, in resume, you need to buy these lateral seals. You need to buy these seals to put in mirror to this, and of course the hoods, and put it inside. And then you need to play with this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. Yeah, of course, I believe you got it. You're gonna to fix, I believe, not 100% the problem, but I believe 80% or more. Yeah, that's all. Thank you for watching. Yeah, I believe that we can resolve that problem that we have with the hood. Thank you.